I wanted to do a updated skin routine and an in-depth skin routine. So I'm gonna basically post two versions of my story to see which one you guys like more. So if you see two posts, you're like, why did she post this twice? I want to see which one works better for, of course, you guys to see um, just what helps you more, what helps you receive the information more. So what I did, of course, was a no-no. Do not go to sleep with makeup on your face, which is what I did. Well, if I do fall asleep with makeup on my face, I wipe it with oil. I still wipe down my face with oil and everything like that, but I did not wash my face. I was too lazy and too tired. So first we're gonna wash our face. Now I did replace my face washer the other day. I got salicylic acid cleanser, the ink from the Inky List. So I was using this before and I really liked it. It's really reasonable. It's 13 bucks. You can get it at Sephora. So it's best for blemish prone. And it says it's best for oily skin. Now, the only reason why I got this is because a lot of the products I use have so much moisture. I'm starting to get too oily in some areas. So usually I have dry skin, but I done switched it. So that's why I got this. And also this helps to reduce blackheads and it helps reduce breakouts. It is like clean beauty, so it doesn't hydrate, it doesn't moisturize or anything like that. It has no SPF, just simple cleanser. And so yeah. So and really I just wanted to get this to just help prevent any like breakouts or anything like that, which I really don't get breakouts, but I will get like bumps or something like that, like small little bumps from like irritation or leaving makeup on or like something like that. So okay, so I have my face washed. One thing that drives me nuts when I wear mascara is it gives me a hard time with mascara coming off. Mascara or like waterproof eyeliner, like y'all have the hardest time getting this off. And I know they have pomades and stuff like that to put on there. Some people sit like oil or Vaseline on their eye. Um, I don't have time for that right now. I don't. Usually for me, it comes off like within a day or two. And I ran out of makeup pads, so I usually get it off with those as well. But I gotta pick up some more makeup pads. And if y'all wondering why my lips were, well, they were. If you're wondering why my lips are so oily, I had went to sleep with the Laneige lip mask. And I haven't used that in a long time. It's crazy. I used to use that when it like first came out years ago. And I was like, let me get back to the basics. Okay, so usually if I am going somewhere, I will put on eye patches. I don't have like a specific one that I go to. So the eye patches I'm currently using right now is Faded Topicals. And you slap these on for about 15 minutes. I am not going to use them today. I don't really have anything like that to do today and I don't want to waste them. So I'm just going to put some stuff up under my eyes. Now, I use currently Dream Eye Cream, Youth to People, Smooth, Hydrate, and Firm. Yeah, Smooth, Hydrate, and Firm. Now, this technically is an overnight eye cream. I do use it at nighttime, just to let you know. A little bit goes a long way. This is really, really moisturizing. I love this stuff. It just feels so soft, and I just put it on my eyes. I put it above and under. I do use my Rescue Hydrating Mist Tower 28. And really this just helps, for me, it helps blend all my products. It helps like seal in that moisture because I'm gonna hydrate my face first before I lock everything in with moisturizers and everything like that. So I also use a vitamin C, and this has hyaluronic acid and probiotics in it. This is by Derma E. I said I was I really want to try another vitamin C. Okay, so after I go in with my vitamin C, which helps for, protecting against dark spots, preventing them, brightening your skin, especially if you have uneven skin. So I use that. And then I go in with my Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. So this helps with hyperpigmentation, and I used to never wear sunscreen. Like, I thought I was doing what I needed to do for my skin, but like, I thought sunscreen was like just mainly so I guess you wouldn't tan or something. I used to be like, I don't need that. And my face was all messed up and skin all discolored, dark spots, uneven, super textured. Like, it was a hot mess. So now that I've been really, really, really working on my skin the way I should the last, year and a half now, 2 years, I'm much better. Okay, so then usually after I do that, at nighttime, about once or twice a week, I would use a retinol at nighttime. Just to let you know. Today, I'm not using that. I am now going to use my collagen spray. And this basically just has collagen in it. It helps with firming, plumping, things like that. This is by Kosas. I think this is Kosas. But they have like a lot of makeup as well, but I like this. It works great. I learned about this from Paging Dr. Dre. It's amazing. It feels amazing. It helps my skin definitely plump. So I definitely noticed a difference. So for the moisturizer, I did have to replace my moisturizer. So I was using the Tatcha. I was using my Tatcha Dewy. Yeah, my Dewy skin. This literally has like a couple more little squeezes in there. Yeah. So I finally got Pharmacy Honey Halo. I've used a sample of this, and they give you this little cute spoon so you don't dig your fingers all in there. This comes in like 3 different sizes. I have like the medium size. This is about like 40 something. The bigger size is about the same price as the Tatcha. It's running around 80. But when I tried the sample of this, you guys, it was so smooth, like so soft. And I'll never forget, I kept saying like, oh, as soon as I run out of moisturizer, like, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna, use it and see how it works for me. Like, even rubbing it in right now, because when I had that little baby, when I didn't use that much, as you can see, I just piled this stuff on here. Like, it's so soft. Ugh. Okay, so I have Black Girl Sunscreen, and then this is right here. This has SPF of 30. It's infused with jojoba and avocado. It is water resistant. It lasts, this thing, for 80 minutes. This gives me no white residue or anything like that. I really like this. Been using this forever. I recently started using the Naturium Dew Glow Moisturizer. This has an SPF of 50. So this was just a little higher. I just need something to last me throughout the hot days in Texas, and I'm good to go. So with my moisturizer, with my SPF, I literally don't leave home without it. I have my kids use sunscreen on their face as well, even going to school, stuff like that. I make sure we don't move without the SPF. And that is it. So I guess other things that I didn't add in, I will also do like a deep cleanse on my skin, like exfoliating. I try to do that about once a week. Nothing, you don't want to overdo it because you don't want to, like, damage your skin. But I try to exfoliate like once a week. I usually, for that, I use Murad. I am out. It's in like a little pink bottle, or like the red or pink line, whichever color you want to go with. Um, and I usually use that for my exfoliant, just to let you guys know. Okay, so that is my skin routine. I guess if you guys want to see anything else that I haven't used, let me know. I don't really stick to like one product. I'm really into trying different products. Now, I will stick to a certain product for like a month at a time. I usually do that. Um, and when it comes to like treatments or nighttime stuff, sometimes that does change just because it depends on what my skin is going through. Oh, one thing I do have in my skin routine is a Dr. Dennis pads. I do not have any more of those. I use those for my texture skin, and I started off with the sensitive one. Then I just use the regular one. I don't use like the extra strength one. And it's really just a two-step pad that you use. But those I do use. I just ran out, and like, I mean, right now I feel like I don't really need them, but they are something that I usually keep in my routine once I feel like my face is getting too textured. They help with the texture skin. But that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you.